Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you how to issue a refund for a vendor on QuickBooks Online. Let's dive right in. Open QuickBooks Online and navigate to the plus sign. Select Vendor Credit. On the next page, choose the vendor or add a new vendor if needed. Provide details such as the category and the amount you want to refund. Once you've completed all the details, click the Save and Close button located at the bottom right corner. Your vendor credit is now saved. Next, go to the plus sign again and select Bank Deposit. Choose the account from which you want to refund. In the Received form, enter the vendor's name. Set the From Account to Accounts Payable and choose the payment method. Finally, add the refund amount, then click the Save and Close button. Remember to use the Payment feature to link the bank deposit to the vendor credit. Even though you're not paying a bill, this step ensures accurate vendor expense tracking. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tutorials. Thanks for watching.